Good morning to you. We made it to Friday and it is Blue Friday. Unfortunately, we're not going to have much blue sky out there. We're going to have hazy sunshine once again and moderate air quality. Some spots could even drop into that code orange, unhealthy for sensitive groups category. Better chance for that closer to the foothills and even lower right by the fires. Our typical spots near the Bear Gulch fire. So today's still going to be warm, but with the really thick wildfire smoke aloft up in the sky, that could limit our daytime warming. And the ridge of high pressure that we have in the region, that's going to start to move to the east, opening the door for us to get some much needed rain. It starts overnight. Early tomorrow morning, we'll have some showers moving in from the south, and we have the risk for a couple of thunderstorms this weekend favoring the Cascades, which is not what we want to hear by any means. Cooler temperatures over the weekend and especially into next week as we get a couple of rounds of rain chances moving in over the weekend. But next week you see temperatures barely reaching that 70-degree mark. Now today pushing the upper 70s, and we are waking up to about 60 degrees. Visibility at SeaTac is okay, but that's not the case elsewhere. South Sound, Hood Canal, you see southwest interior all the way up to about Snohomish County northward. That's where we have some dense fog at the moment, and through Puget Sound, through Seattle, we could have some lower visibility over the next couple of hours, getting closer to sunrise. But that's going to lift, that's going to mix out, and we're going to have hazy sunshine this afternoon. High temperatures from Everett northward, I should say, low and mid 70s, and then south upper 70s to about 80 degrees. Even up in the passes, going to be very mild. This is a look at the wildfire smoke aloft, so the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, not the surface. And you see the warm colors, the reds, the oranges. That indicates some pretty thick wildfire smoke, but watch what happens as we head into Saturday. It starts to, the warm colors disappear, the red disappears, and it's replaced with some of that green, indicating that we could have some less dense wildfire smoke aloft because we have a weather pattern changing. Air quality, as I mentioned, for most in that moderate range. Tonight, we'll have some showers moving in from the south, but Saturday, we're even cooler in the 70s and 60s. But as I mentioned, there is that potential for a few thunderstorms favoring the Cascades. So let's go on the futurecast. This is showing into the afternoon. High clouds mixed in with that wildfire haze aloft. Could have a couple of thunderstorms trying to develop near Mount Rainier and maybe even the foothills this afternoon. But then overnight, that's when we have the best chance for a cluster of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms rolling in over Puget Sound prior to sunrise. And then most of our day we're dry, except some thunderstorms potentially popping up in the Cascades and the foothills. So that will be something to watch with the fire concerns up in the mountains and maybe some fire spreads as well. But I don't know about you, but I'm excited about this cool down.